Fast food secret. McDonald's will hate me. Here I'm using 3 large potatoes. Here I'm going to cut this potato into sticks, cutting the sides like that. Right after, just pour a part of this potato and cut it into sticks. The size of the potato is up to you. Making rustic potato in this way is also perfect too. Once this process is done with all the potatoes, let's pass them to a container. Soon after I added 50 ml of vinegar, I added water to cover everything. And just let it sit for 10 minutes. After resting, we will move to a cloth to dry potatoes very well. I'll get it and return the potatoes to the same container. And I'm going to add a tablespoon of cornstarch. Now just mix it with your hand. Let's take this potato and fry it in a hot oil. Guys, I tried to do this in air fry, but I didn't get a good result. After goldfish, you can remove, and look how personal is it. Super dry, crunchy, and irresistible. Honestly, this is the best potato I've ever made. Make it at your home. I'm sure everyone will love it. This was another little recipe here from the pool in the kitchen. That's strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.